In this short video, I will show you how to install the open source IC design tools, and I'll also share my experience as someone beginning to learn IC design, along with the challenges I face in the process. The method I will demonstrate uses the X server, which works with both X11 and Wayland, whether you're using a Linux distro as your daily driver or have set up a VM or an XRDP connection. This video is for you. The first step is to clone the GitHub repository of the open source IC design tools to a specific directory. In this case, I've placed it in my documents folder. If you haven't installed Docker yet, I've provided a link in the description on how to install it. Next, we need to execute the shell script start_x.sh. This process will pull and download the Docker container, and will also start the IC Design Tools container. Once done, it will open a terminal, and that terminal will be the directory of the Docker container. To test if it works, I first tried running XCam, an open source tool for drawing circuit diagrams. I attempted to learn how to use it by watching videos online, following a guide from Master of Microelectronics. The guide covers basic RC circuit and provides a demonstration on how to use the program. So what's next for beginners? As a recent graduate in electronics engineering, I actually find it quite challenging since microelectronics was not my specialized subject in college. There are other aspects that need to be addressed, such as learning how to use the tools and understanding the actual workflow in designing IC chips, because this is a very complex field. A good way to really start is by learning from the experts. Recently, I have watched a webinar from Cynics Design, and I have learned a lot and gained access to many resources. Dr. Abad highlighted the vast resources available, which really opens the door for the open source community to learn IC design without needing to sign an NDA. I highly recommend checking out the webinar, and the link will be in the description. Personally, it gave me a roadmap for what to focus next on learning IC design. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day.